Let's go back to the experiment. We know he used an inclined plane to roll balls for the purpose of slowing down the motion, and we know he used a water clock to measure time. Even though this water clock couldn't measure seconds, he did know that the time this clock measured was proportional to the amount of water collected in this collecting device. So if you collected this much water in your first experiment and twice as much water in your second experiment, you knew that the second experiment took twice as long. So how did he do the actual experiment? First, he would roll the ball for 1 unit of time, and a unit here is defined as some specified amount of water. He would let the ball roll and then measure the distance. So maybe after 1 unit of time, the ball had gone from here to here. So how did Galileo do his experiment? Well, he would allow the ball to roll for 1 unit of time, where a unit of time was a specified amount of water, and he would measure the distance. This distance he would call 1 unit of distance, let's say. So if the ball rolled from here to here in 1 unit of time, this became 1 unit of distance. Notice that Galileo wasn't really concerned with whether these units were seconds or minutes or meters or inches. He was looking for proportions, and in proportions, these units always cancel out. So Galileo really didn't care about these things. After he did that for 1 unit of time, he would allow the ball to roll for 2 units of time, and then measure the distance. And again for 3 and 4 and so on. He'd keep doing this for 3 units of time, 4, 5, and so on. And when he was done, he would repeat the entire experiment many, many times, because more data means you can reduce your error. And we'll talk about that now.